If your audio is playing from only one side, either left or right, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it instantly using Filmora's audio channel settings. Let's get started. First, import your clip into the timeline and select the clip with the unbalanced audio. Now, head over to the audio panel and under audio channels, you'll see three options to fix this issue. Copy left to right. This will take the audio from the left channel and duplicate it to the right, making the sound play evenly in both ears. Copy right to left. If the audio is only coming from the right side, this will copy it to the left, balancing the sound. Flip left right. This swaps the left and right audio channels, useful if the stereo orientation is incorrect. Simply choose the option that best suits your issue and you'll instantly hear the difference. And that's it. Your audio is now perfectly balanced in Filmora, no more missing sound from one side. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick Filmora tips.